300 grams for $4.99. 500 grams for $3.99. Trying to rip me off. Oh, 75 milligrams of sodium. 70 grams of carbohydrates. Are you kidding me? Look at my car, look at your car. You know what I mean? And that is exactly why I look at the carbohydrate content first.
No, I totally agree with you. P.S. I like your shoes. Where'd you get them?
Oh, my Adidas Deluxe. Got them at Foot Locker. So comfy.
I love bread.
I'm making pasta for dinner. You want pasta for dinner? Well, I don't got a coupon for Alfredo sauce. I got a coupon for tomato sauce. You get tomato sauce. Why are there so many different types of apples? I miss my mom.